Hi, Nanny Heather here. We are back for part 3 in the toilet training series. Let's start toilet training in the golden window. You've done all your prep work featured in the 2 previous videos. If you want to watch these again, you can find them at Nanny Heather on Instagram and YouTube. By now you've been already putting your child on the toilet a few times a day in pull-ups. Please make sure your child has been able to do some poos in addition to wees on the toilet, as this is harder to train in the 2-week window if they haven't already done so. The day before starting toilet training, talk with your child at eye level and tell them, you're going to wear a big boy or big girl pants tomorrow, and you will get a sticker for every wee you do and a treat for every poo you do on the toilet. Tell them you're so happy and excited for them getting to wear their favourite character pants, and that they're going to be just like mummy and daddy wearing pants and going to the toilet. The next morning, be really positive and happy for the child. Remind them what they're going to do today and take them to the toilet first upon waking. Then put them in pants, dress girls ideally in dresses and boys in loose joggers. With girls' dresses, you can lift the back up, for example, they are sitting in the high chair or the car seat. Just in case they have an accident, it should save the back of the dress. Put your child in clogs, not trainers, as trainers can't be quickly cleaned, whereas clogs can be rinsed and dried straight away or wiped. You'll likely be taking them for their morning milk and breakfast routine. The first 2 hours of every day are where a lot of toileting accidents are likely to happen because of the drinks and the breakfast. Plus they'll likely be distracted by toys and TV, and it's all new to them. You're going to take them every 20 minutes to the toilet for the first 2 hours, and then the rest of the day take them on the old clock and on the half of the hour, every hour. So basically every 30 minutes. I also recommend taking them to the toilet before a bath and after a bath, before getting in a high chair and after leaving the high chair, before leaving the house and at the destination, after drinking a whole cup of milk, water or juice, and before a nap or bedtime. For nap times, put them back in pull-ups. They will toilet train for nap time and night times when they are a bit older and with no restrictions, like cot rails on the bed. First, let's master daytime training. Now, let's talk the language we're going to use. Toilet training starts off by giving the child direction, not a question. Announce, it's toilet time or it's pee-pee time, and then take them. If you ask them, do you want the toilet? They will just say no. When you enter week 2 of toilet training, the roles should start to reverse, and you should be able to start to ask them, do you want the toilet? And they will honestly answer. In the second week, you'll notice they will start to ask for the toilet too, and they should start to take the lead. You will know if this is happening or not yet. When your child goes to the toilet and does a wee, give them lots of praise. Well done, I'm so happy you used the toilet, I'm so proud of you. And give them a sticker in their hand. They might put it on their top or on their favourite toy. I'm not a fan of sticker charts because I think they're a little too formal and too much pressure for toilet training. So I'll leave that up to you to decide. But I like toilet training to be nice and relaxed. If they do a poo again, so much praise and they get a treat. I like to use mini packets of chocolate buttons, but you can use whatever you think your child might be incentivized by. It should be seen as a greater reward, as it's harder skill to master. If they have a toilet accident at any point, the language to use is, never mind, we can try to get to the toilet faster next time. You can tell mummy or daddy anytime you need the toilet, and we will take you. Your child will be already embarrassed. Please don't tell them off or shame them. Just clean them with the head to toe wipes and start again. Put them on the toilet to check everything has come out. You can use the nappy sacks to put any clothing in for toilet accidents until you can wash them. There are signs that you can look for right before an accident. Your child's fidgeting, they're squeezing their legs together, they're touching their bum or front area. If you see any of those signs, again, do not ask, do you need the toilet? Just say, toilet time. Children would much rather play than go to the toilet, as it's boring and more of a chore, so you have to lead them. When you go on trips out the house, tell your child where all the toilets will be on the trip destination, so your child knows that you're thinking of their needs. Remind them you have the carry potty in the car. You might be wondering how many toileting accidents to expect based on this schedule. Anything from 1 to 4 or 5 a day, but this should decrease to none in the latter half of the second week. You might want to have some carpet cleaner to hand just in case. Make notes every day on your phone to share with your partner of where the child was during an accident, what the child was doing, and what you think could prevent it next time. These notes will also help you so you can guide your child. You should have a daytime toilet trained child by the end of the second week. Look out for the next installment in the toilet training series still to come on how to toilet train at nighttime and nap time. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel at Nanny Heather. You'll find products featured through all of the toilet training series through the link in the bio.